Hey everyone! Today I'm sharing one of my favorite Indian beauty secrets, a turmeric and yogurt mask that's been used for centuries to brighten the skin, reduce pigmentation, and leave your face glowing naturally. You're going to need just a few simple ingredients from your kitchen. 1 tablespoon of gram flour, 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of raw honey, and a few drops of rose water if you want a smoother texture. This mask is perfect if your skin feels dull, tired, or uneven. Start by adding all the ingredients into a clean bowl. Mix them gently until you get a smooth, creamy paste. Make sure there are no lumps. The mask should feel light and silky on your fingers. Let it sit for a moment while you cleanse your face. It's always best to apply a mask to clean, dry skin so it can work more effectively. Once ready, apply an even layer to your face and neck, avoiding the eye area. Let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes until it starts to dry. As the mask dries, the gram flour helps absorb excess oil. The yogurt soothes your skin, turmeric brightens, and honey locks in hydration. Before washing it off, wet your fingers and gently massage your skin in circular motions. This gives a soft exfoliation and boosts blood flow. Then rinse with lukewarm water and pat your face dry with a clean towel. Your skin will feel instantly softer, brighter, and smoother with a natural glow that builds over time. You can use this mask once or twice a week, and it's especially great before a special event or when your skin needs a little extra love. This is one of those simple, passed-down remedies that truly works. Try it out and let me know how your skin feels afterward. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.